Welcome to this tutorial about changing the position of the death trigger in game. As you know, when the player prefab is in the game and they no clip or they fall off the map, they'll get reset. Their position will be respawned and they will be put back into their original spawn point. And if you want to change that threshold at which the player is respawned, all you gotta do is head to Assets, Clean Multiplayer Pro, and then Prefabs, Physical, and here you see your player prefabs. And if you select whichever you want to change the threshold for, and scroll down till you see the player position resetter. And here you see the value, min y value. So when the y coordinate of the red player here is below -10 or is -10, the player will be reset. So if you put it to, let's say, -20, this would mean that they would be respawned at a lower point. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial, and I'll see you in another one.